Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay Francis and I am a first grade teacher at Ware Elementary in Fort Riley, Kansas. This is my fifth year teaching first grade. I graduated from K-State University and am now pursuing my master's in ESOL. So I'm excited to take this technology course. Some technology I interact with on a daily basis would be using a personal laptop and smartboard and document camera in my classroom. I'd be lost if we didn't have those things. Our internet kind of gets spotty out where we are sometimes, and we all kind of go into a panic mode in the mornings if we realize that we don't have those things because we rely so much on them throughout the day. Other things that we have access to are a computer cart at every grade level. So kindergarten, first, and second grades all have one cart to share of laptops that they can bring into the classroom. And then at our school, our third, fourth, and fifth graders go one-to-one with their own HP laptops that can also flip over and function as tablets. We also have two iPad carts that can be checked out by classrooms in our school. So we're not one-to-one with those devices, but it is nice to bring those in for some different extended learning activities every now and then. Some other things, we have a really amazing tech department in USD 475, and the leaders of our tech department are always willing to come in and introduce us to new technology things. Last year, I actually had them come into my classroom with some of the virtual reality goggles when we were learning about outer space. And that was a cool opportunity for the kids to put on those big VR headsets and see how things would appear if they were an astronaut out in space. Um, Personally, I think some of my strengths with technology are just basic word processing, PowerPoint, Excel. We use Excel a lot for grade spreadsheets and collecting data and such. I'm looking forward to learning more about the Google community and how I can use some of those apps in Google Docs because I'm not comfortable using those things at all. We use like I think our Google spreadsheet for some of our documentation when we do whole team meetings and things like that. But this is the first time I've ever been involved with Google Plus and seen some of the things that are available on Google. So it'll be kind of an intimidating process for me, but I'm excited to learn about that as well. Another strength I think is just a knowledge about social media and using like cell phones and such like that. Everyday email, that's something that is a big part of life, just helping communicate and all of that. So I'm comfortable with doing those things. But again, I am also really looking forward to working on one of my weaknesses, I think, is finding age appropriate things for first grade in the classroom. A lot of my students' experience with technology is just, Xbox and other video games, or getting on iPads and computers to play games. And so I would really like to work on bringing different opportunities for them to the classroom and having them realize that technology can be so much more than just playing a game. Um, Other than that, I'm really looking forward to learning from everyone in the class, seeing how this whole Google community works, and getting to know different people's opinions and maybe things that they use in their classrooms that I could use as well. So, ready to have some fun.